Tantric drumming, ladies and gentlemen. Tantric drumming. Ladies and gentlemen, the next song's quite a well-known song. He still thinks his guitar's out of tune. I'm going to give you a little bit of a commentary on what's going on right now. So he's trying to tune it up. He's trying to tell it whether it's in tune or not. This is what happens, ladies and gentlemen. When guitarists don't do their thing, tune up their guitar beforehand. Says, go easy on the Mountain Dew. The dew from the mountain, it's pretty yellowy and green, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think that came from any mountains that I know. You will be pissing Lucas Green, don't you worry about it. It'll burn the bowl out, it'll make it yellow for the future, it'll make it glow in the dark. You'll think an alien's coming out of the toilet every time you go. Most of you will know that song. I wouldn't have doubted